Oops. As I just said that'd be okay, look what just happened. Hello, this is the Duke of Gloucester. The Duke is now waiting to cross over my drawbridge just here. As you can see, it's not up, so without further ado, let's put up the drawbridge. And now let's connect some power to it. And now let's lock it into place. Duke's got no carriages, so let's take a look at all my carriages. Two carriages are these two Maglite carriages. See, the first one's only got 4 wheels, this one's only got 6 wheels. The reason why they're called Maglite carriages is because you need a magnet to turn on the lights on with. So, this little magnet here. Second lot of carriages I've got are these 4-wheel carriages. They're all the same apart from obviously the colour, and that is a steampunk carriage. It's the same design, but all they've done is like stuck some piping on it and other bits and pieces on it to make it a steampunk carriage. Third lot of carriages are my LMS carriages in this beige colour. I know this one's not really a carriage, but it's more of a goods wagon, maybe putting in bags of post or bikes, luggage, etc. I'm still going to use it. This is the first class one, so is that one, and I believe this one is from my night mail set. Now this is my Pullman section. I've got 2 Agathas, Ione, if that's how you pronounce it, I-O-N-E, I-1 maybe, I don't know. Lucilla, Rosemary, car number 72 third class, class number 73 third class, car number 88, car number 92. Incidentally, these 2 have working lights inside, and that is my Pullman, British Railways Pullman. And this is my Teak section, third class, first class, third class, first class, third class, first class. Ask me where second class has gone to. First, third, third, first, third, that's all third, first, first and third. And as you can tell, those are slightly different teak colour, darker teak than it's a lighter teak carriages. Let me know if I'm wrong about this in the comments below, but I do believe this is called Custard and Cream, I believe. This one is a slightly smaller carriage than these 2. Not sure why, but it's just the way I had it. I think this is a triangle, and these 2 are Hornby. That's probably why, before the days of Hornby existed, maybe. Last but not least, these are my 2 Cornish Riviera, both Great Western. One's an express and one's says limited. Now I don't know if this actually exists for real, but this is a carriage for my James the Red Engine. Now there's 4 carriages I haven't shown you, and I'll just show you quickly why. Now this is my car number 55 third class. It's also a Pullman. My carriage with working lights on it, but it's not working, so at some point I'll get it fixed. I've also got these 3 rocket carriages. I can't really use them. As you can see, they've got different type of coupling on them. They've got that very small plastic linkage type coupling you can't really use on the other locomotives, only one for the rocket. That's why I can't really use them, only for the rocket. Anyway, back upstairs, and we see how big my Duke can get with his carriage. Let's start adding these carriages then. Right, before I put every single carriage I've got on it, I'm going to do a test, do it bit by bit. First of all, I've got the 10 going all the way around the corner there, behind the sheds. Just see the blue Pullman, wooden Pullman there. Let's see how this goes. That seems to be working. Add the 7 teak coaches, and now I'm going to add the teak coaches as they all go around the corner onto the suspension bridge. So far I've got 17 carriages, mixture of the Pullman and the teak coaches only. Let's see how the Duke does. Oops, no worries. Right, let's try that again. Some of them end Teak Carriages came off. Might have to give it a bit of a pull. Seems to be doing it okay. Oops, as I just said that'd be okay, look what just happened. Pity I didn't catch that on camera. Okay, after that little incident I've rewrited all the carriages and put them back together. Now I'm going to add 2 of the Cornish carriages, 3 of the Cornish, Custard and Cream, and the red carriage belonging to James the Red Engine. Now I've added 2 of the Cornish, James's carriage, and the 3 Cream and Custard. Let's see how that goes. The Duke's hiding behind the station, but let's see how this goes. Oh, struggling. Need a little bit of hand. I think it needs another loco. It's kind of working. I think it's struggling a bit now. Okay, I think I'm going to need another loco now. It's struggling. I'm going to wear out the motor. Now just to help the Duke, which is a real configuration of 462, also in the big guns if you like, another big loco, Princess Elizabeth, which is also a 462, which is a really lovely loco, which is got some WD models, from the Rovex, double gauge model electric train, part of the centenary year anyway, but let's get them coupled up and then see what happens. Let's try this now. I'm about doing it. Something doesn't quite sound right. Let's stop before we have a crash. I've just added these 6 LMS carriages, and I've still got room to add another few of them small carriages there. Probably about another 4, but we shall see. Before I add them, I shall see how this goes. The locomotive are hiding just behind that shed there. There you go. That's the beginning of my big train, and that's the end. I'll show you. I'll start from the back and work my way forward, I think. Going down JJ's corner slope there, through the tunnel, out the tunnel, past the station, onto the suspension bridge, across the suspension bridge, off the suspension bridge and under the signal gantry, past the signal box, past the siding area, past the red light, and onto the Princess Elizabeth and the Duke right at the beginning. Okay, now what we've got to do is to see if it will pull. So what you should see, hopefully if this works, is a steampunk, that small steampunk carriage move at the same time as the 2 locos. Oop, they're doing it. Well, you kind of get the idea what's supposed to happen. Anyway, that's my very long train. Okay, well, you get the idea, as I said earlier. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my little challenge here. It's kind of working on its own speed now. That was my very long train going all the way around my room, my railway room. Across the bridge, past the station. I took away the tunnel so you can see. Anyway, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.